Morning children. Today I am going to take the 3rd standard maths unit 1. Yesterday we have already seen some of the exercises in geometry, that is straight line and curved lines, and how many diagonals in the squares and rectangle, and draw the different objects that they are given the pictures, and you have to find out the curved surface, flat surface, curved and flat surfaces. So all these exercises till page number 4, we have completed it yesterday. Now we are going to see page number 5. You have to draw the 3D objects. Draw 3D objects. So they are given the dots in your book. So dots without dots also you can do. Yeah, they are given the dots, 3 dots for square. First we are going to draw a cube. So how to draw the cube 3D objects by giving the dots. 3 dots they are given like this, and okay, dots so you put the square first. So for cube, square podunga. Then I think already I have taught you this one. So join these lines. So this is the cube. Okay children, can you understand? This is the cube. So you can draw like this. Next one is cuboid they are given. How to draw the cuboid? For this we have to draw the rectangle. So put the rectangle. You know the rectangle. So 2 length and breadth. So konja broader podunga. Then again in the corner length you can draw like this. From this corner you can draw the another one. So then join the lines. Cube, how we are join the lines? Like that. You also, this corners are joined panninga. You will get the cuboid. Okay children. So like this you have to draw using the cube and the cuboid. Next one is about the cylinder. So how to draw the cylinder? That is also easy. So here draw the oval shape we draw pannunga. Then put the lines like this. Then put the semicircle. So this is the cylinder. Okay, this is the cylinder. Then cone. Cone eppadi draw pannanum? How to draw the cone? So you can draw the cone like this. Adhaadu ippadi keela semicircle mari potuttu mela ippadi pottu. So this is the cone. Ninga paathirpeenga the clown udiya cap. Then even in birthday parties they can be wearing the caps also. So that is the cone. And then one sphere. Sphere means circle kadiyadu. This is not a bangle. It's a ball with the sphere shape. Basketball, cricket ball, and then the football, volleyball, everything. So this will be the spherical shape. So this is not a circle. This is the sphere. So உங்களுக்கு இங்க bookல dots கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. You can draw the shape. These are the 3D objects. Cube, cuboid. Cube and the square you have to draw. For cuboid you have to draw the rectangle, and cylinder, cone, and then sphere. Okay. And now we'll move on to the next one is about the tangram. What do you mean by the tangram? Tangram is a 7 pieces of the shapes that is made by the Chinese. Page number 6. Tangrams. So in this tangrams, a traditional Chinese puzzle. This is a traditional Chinese puzzle made of a square. So for a square, this is the tangram. This is 1 pieces of a square. Okay, this is the Chinese puzzle made of a square divided into 7 pieces. So it is 7 pieces are divided pannirukanga. So I will draw this. First I will draw how they have divided these 7 pieces. So like this they are divided. And here எப்படி draw பண்ணிக்கணும் பண்ணிட்டு this will be the number 6th piece and this will be the 7th piece. And here இந்த draw பண்ணிருக்கோம் இல்லையா, இதை வந்து நம்ம எப்படி fold பண்ணா this will be come like this. Okay, so in the center line this is one triangle, this is number 1, and here one triangle will come, this is number 5, and here the diamond shape varum. So this is 4, and this will be, and you cut these pieces into a triangle, and this is 2. These are the 7 pieces. So you can take the square paper and ஒரு line center அப்படி draw பண்ணிட்டு, and then you can draw at the back of the white paper, you can draw the lines and cut into pieces. Lines draw பண்ணுங்க, and then நான் போட்ட மாதிரி first இப்படி ஒரு line, இப்படி ஒரு line, இந்த ஒரு line மட்டும் பண்ணிட்டா this will become the first triangle, and this is number 2. இது வந்து ஒரு இந்த ஷேப்பில் கிடைக்கும், and this is number 3 is the triangle. இந்த இடத்த join பண்ணா this is one triangle, and this will be as a diamond shape. So triangle is there, one square and one parallelogram and 5 triangles, 1 2 3 4 and 5 triangles and one parallelogram. One parallelogram, this number 2 is the parallelogram. Okay, yeah? So one square pieces la one parallelogram will be there, one square will be there. This is the square, இது வந்து square shape la irukku இல்லையா. So square, இப்படி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா square, so one square and other 5 are the triangles that can be arranged to match a particular design. So இங்க பாருங்க, இதுல 7 pieces is here, and here in the pieces which they can make it out like a fish, and here is the rocket and tangram dancing girl and tangram horse. So from these 7 pieces we can make a picture like this. See, a fish எப்படி போட்டுருக்காங்கன்னா actually first இது in the pieces you have to cut it out, and then you have to set here one square, so number 4 is the square, and triangle number 3 போடுங்க, and then this parallelogram is number 2, and this will be the triangle is number 5. Okay, and then here one big triangle is here, this is the face of the fish, this is number 6, and then here another triangle, so that will be number 7, and in the tail வந்து ஒரு small triangle pieces வச்சிருக்கோம் இல்லையா. So if we cut this into color paper, we can get a shape of a fish. So this is the fish by using this tangram pieces, and then a tangram rocket is there. So this is also rocket வரும்போது just I draw this. So here one small triangle pieces, and then one triangle, and then here the big triangle, and then here another triangle, and then square, okay, and then here the last pieces of the rectangle. So this will become as a rocket. So inga vandu neenga and the diamond pieces mari irukku illaya, so this will be the rocket. So like this you have to cut the shapes, and then you have to draw this using the 5 pictures. A tangram house, tangram boat, and a tangram swan is there. So in the book you can use this, and use only one triangle which you can draw any shape like this, and use pieces of 1 2 3 and 5, 1 2 3 and 5, 1 2 3 and 5 other say that this square will be here, and you can use the rabbit, a telephone, a various shapes on your own. Now the next one is tessellation. Next one is tessellation. What do you mean by the tessellation? If a tangram naka, it is a 7 pieces of figure. Now tessellation. Tessellation is created when a shape is repeated over and over again. Tessellation is repeated. Is created when a shape is repeated over and over again. Repeated over and over again, covering a plane covering a plane without any gaps. So even you might have seen in the schools, you have been tiles எல்லாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா without gaps they have been பக்கத்தில் வச்சுருப்பாங்க, even in a kitchen, bathroom, then floor tilings everywhere. So that is called as tessellation is created when a shape is repeated or ஒரே shape repeat and covering a plane without any gap. So எந்த கேப்பும் இருக்காது or any overlap. Gap or overlap, that is called tessellation. எப்படி இருக்குன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்களேன். ஸோ எப்படின்னா any design, இப்படி வரலாம். Same designs will be coming here. So this is called tessellation. ஒரே டிசைன் repeat ஆகுது. ஓகேயா? இல்லையா? Some hexagonal shape. Okay, then again here the shapes will be repeated. So like this. So in the mare or the shapes repeated again and again. So in the mare shapes continuously it will repeated over on. So like this. So the shapes will be created without any overlaps. Here they are given the pictures like this. So you can draw. Inga paakute in the pictures you can complete it this one. Complete the shapes by filling the tiles. This one also, this is the first one and this is the second one. You have to complete the shapes. So for this you have to color. You can color it, draw it and then color it these two shapes, children. Okay. Next one is draw one more tile to continue the pattern. Draw one more tile. To continue same page only. Draw one more tile to continue the pattern. Here they are given first one a triangle kuduthirukangala and then they are given the picture like this. So you can join this and here dash they are given and second one is square and third one is 4 squares and dash and third one hexagon. இது கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஓகேயா? ஸோ தென் by short you can do like this, then put the lines, put V. So like this you can draw. So here what pattern has to come? So one more pattern, draw one more tile to continue the pattern. So you can draw like this. 6 போடுங்க, 8 போடுங்க இப்போ. You can draw one more pattern like this. And square 1, 2, 3 போடுங்க. And then here 4 இருக்கு இல்லையா, you can put the 5. So just one, I'm sorry, in the gapless sharp portion you can draw. So this is it. Okay, so this is the patterns about the tessellation and the tangram. So in this class we have seen about the tessellation and the tangram. Okay children, so this tangram is the 7 pieces of a puzzle, 1 parallelogram, 1 square and 5 triangles. So that can be arranged to make a particular designs. And you can draw the tangram of 7 pieces as I have shown you. So cut the paper into, take a square paper and cut it into 7 pieces as I have told you this one. And we are finished in this tangrams and tessellation and cube and cuboid, how to draw the cube and cuboid in the 3D objects, and we have finished everything. So go through this children. Thank you. We will see in the next class.